Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank Seenda for sending me this keyboard mouse combo for a product unboxing and review. And I know that we have a lot of crafters that use their phones and or their tablets to create wonderful projects. So let's see if this wonderful product is something that I would recommend to you. So let's get into it. So let's first talk about the packaging. Okay, so I really love how it aesthetically looks. It's very sleek, clean, not too much. I do love the purple and green like tech gadget look that they have going on here. It's very, I'm all about aesthetics and how things make me feel when I see them, and it definitely makes me feel warm inside. I do love it. So let's go ahead and open it up. So directly on top we do have the user manual, and you can just take your time and read through it. Now I do like this brochure template that they included. If you slide it left and right, it goes from green to white, which is pretty cool. But if you're interested in purchasing any other products from them, they do have them included in this booklet. Now it does include a silicone keyboard cover, which is really nice. It's not too thick and not too thin, but it definitely feels like it will get the job done to keep from having dust and debris in between the keyboards, which I really hate. But look at this color. This is beautiful. I love the aesthetics of this. That purple and blue just complements each other perfectly. Now it does come with a mouse that is matching as well. Oh, look how pretty that looks. I love it. I love it. Also, you have your on and off button in the back, and this does take AA batteries, just one, and you have your little USB included as well. Now, one thing that was very disappointing is that it did not include any batteries. I feel like it's very important to include everything to make the setup more seamless and easy. So a simple thing with just adding the batteries to the packaging would have been a great touch. So I wanted to add a little ASMR in here for you. So the keyboard actually takes 2 AAA batteries and the mouse takes 1 AA battery. Now I have to go search for some. I'll be right back. So I'm going to be using my iPad Pro 12.9 inch, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on the keyboard, and let's go to settings to connect the Bluetooth. So since they're both named the same exact thing, the way you can tell the difference between the keyboard and the mouse is the KB means keyboard and MS means mouse. So now that we have everything connected, let's go ahead and make sure we have a good connectivity, and let's go ahead and open up my notes and start typing. So right off bat, I can tell that the transition as far as typing, it's not delayed, it's very smooth. It responds very well to the touch. So I'm very happy with the keyboard and mouse so far. So now let's go ahead and open up a browser and navigate through the internet. So I'm going to go ahead and just open up my website, for example, today, and everything is, like I said, it's very smooth. It's very fast. It's no delay, which I really like, because when you have Bluetooth connectivity, sometimes you have to think about, is it going to be delayed? Is it going to slow me down? But actually, it's very smooth. It's like the keyboard is wired into my iPad. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about the keyboard functions. We have the power button, we have the home, the Bluetooth, the channel indicator, then we have the battery indicator as well, and then the caps lock is right next to it. So on the left side of the keyboard, there is a logo, which is the double E. It doesn't explain in the user menu exactly what this icon means, but I'm just going to assume, based off of how the keyboard is laid out, as that this is the escape button. You also have the option to connect it to your phone, and it is the same setup process. Now let's go ahead and move on to connecting this directly to the computer. So I did take the USB out of the mouse and hook it up to my computer. So on the back of the mouse, there is a light indicator to let you know when it's connected via Bluetooth and when it's connected wired. So when it is blue, that means it's connected Bluetooth. When it is red, that means it's connected to the USB. Now to connect it Bluetooth, you are going to hold the Bluetooth icon for 3 to 5 seconds until it blinks white. That means it is ready to pair. Then you are going to do the same thing on the mouse. Hold it down for a few seconds until the blue icon blinks, and then there you go. Everything's connected. And again, the transition is very smooth. It's easy to set up. It's not really like complicated. It's very simplistic, which is very nice. Also, if you do not have an iPad case that holds up your iPad, they do have a little lip in the front of the keyboard where you can actually sit your iPad on there. Now, me personally, I do like to have my iPad with protection, but just, I love that they have that option for you guys. Now, they do have multiple colors available on their website. I will have the link down below if you are interested, but if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tutorials and unboxings.